name is Rosie Y. Villacorte, and today I will be doing feeding and burping the baby. So first is wash your hands and towel dry. After washing the hands, prepare in the feeding baby. So this is the baby that I will be feeding. Third is put the burping cloth on the shoulder and pick up the baby. Be careful to support the head and chest. Put the bib on and position the baby in a semi-upright position. Next is start to feed the baby by allowing the nipple to touch the cheek to stimulate the rooting reflex. Position the feeding bottle in semi-tilted position. Halfway through the feeding, let the baby burp on the shoulder with a burping cloth. Tilt the head of the baby sideways as not to cover the nose and the mouth of the baby. Pat gently the back of the baby. After the baby has burped, proceed with the remaining half of the formula until it is all consumed. Let the baby burp again. Next is check the diaper. If it's dirty, change it. Then put the baby back on a high chair or crib. After changing the baby's diaper, do aftercare.